Title: Transform your baking game with the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer. Hey there, baking enthusiasts and kitchen connoisseurs. If you're someone who loves whipping up delicious treats or dabbles in cooking, then buckle up because we have an amazing product for you today. Let me introduce you to the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer with pouring shield, model KSM 150PS, available in a stunning Aqua Sky hue. This mixer isn't just a tool, it's your new kitchen companion that will elevate your culinary experience to another level. First off, let me paint a picture of this beauty. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 stands tall and proud in your kitchen, adorned with a sleek, modern design that exudes sophistication. Its durable stainless steel body boasts an eye-catching aqua sky finish, adding a pop of color to your cooking space. But don't let its elegant appearance fool you. This mixer is built for performance. Now, let me walk you through some of the fantastic features that make the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer an indispensable addition to any home kitchen. First and foremost, its powerful 59-point planetary action ensures even mixing for perfect results every time. Whether you're making delicate cakes, fluffy pasta dough, or thick cookie batter, this mixer has got you covered. Its versatility doesn't end there. With over 10 available attachments, you can transform your mixer into a pasta maker, spiralizer, grinder, and so much more. The mixer's tilt-head design allows for easy access to the bowl, making it a breeze to add ingredients or switch out attachments. Plus, its removable 5-quart stainless steel bowl makes cleaning up a breeze, no more stuck-on batter or dough residue. And with the convenient pouring shield, you can easily pour in liquids without worrying about messes. One of the standout features of this mixer is its 10-speed slip-resistant control dial. With just a simple turn, you can adjust the speed to match your recipe's requirements. Whether you need it to run slow and steady or fast and furious, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 has got you covered. Now, let me share some practical tips on how best to utilize this incredible kitchen tool. For starters, always make sure your attachments are properly secured before starting a mix. This is crucial for both safety and optimal performance. When adding ingredients, start with the wet ones first, then gradually add in the dry ones while the mixer is running to prevent lumps. If you're new to baking or unsure about how long to mix certain recipes, don't fret. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 comes with a helpful recipe booklet that includes guidelines for mixing times and techniques for various dishes. As you gain experience, you can even experiment with your own creations. So, how does the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer stack up against other mixers on the market? Well, let me put it this way, this mixer offers a perfect blend of power, versatility, durability, and style that's hard to find in one package. Its superior performance and unrivaled quality set it apart from its competitors, making it an investment worth making for any serious home baker or cook. In conclusion, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer with pouring shield is so much more than just a kitchen appliance, it's a gateway to endless possibilities in your culinary adventures. Whether you're whipping up batches of cookies for your family or creating elaborate dinner parties, this mixer will be by your side every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your baking game and make your kitchen dreams a reality with the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer in Aqua Sky. Click that Add to Cart button now and start creating unforgettable memories in the kitchen today. Happy baking!